Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. Today we're just going to dive into Binance savings. Okay, I always tell my guys, if you're working and you don't have any means of making a passive income, it's like you're going to work your ass off and at the end you have nothing to live on. Okay, so the best thing is you put your money into systems that runs itself. Like the system have people that runs it. You don't have to employ labor and all those stuffs. Okay, so your money basically generates interest for you. You use your money to make more money, and that's when Binance savings come to play a role in that. Okay, I'll tell you to forget about your banking sectors, your traditional banking sectors. Okay, how can you save your money with the bank? Like you do savings, and that savings will attract 0.5% interest per annum. It's just, I don't want to use any word, abusive word, but when you think about it, it's just like they are stealing us. Okay, because that money they are going to use it to do something more profit generating, and at the end they end up giving you 0.5%. It's really horrible. Okay, so I'll tell you to take advantage of this opportunity and start saving your money with Binance. Okay, on Binance, you convert your money into cryptocurrency and you save it. So let me show you the possible means. So we have savings, we have Binance savings, and when you look at the Binance savings, we have the flexible, we have flexible saving, we have locked and auto invest. Okay, these are all great. Okay, they are all great features on Binance. In case you want to go for flexible, okay, you want to go for flexible, meaning you are going to earn your profit each and every 24 hours. Okay, and that profit can be reused in the system. You can make it an auto invest. Okay, so it's flexible, meaning when you need it anytime you can withdraw it. Okay, so let's check this out. Flexible savings is a Binance financial product that allows you to utilize your ideal crypto assets and earn daily interest with the ability to redeem your funds at any time. Okay, so when you are using the flexible savings, you can withdraw your money anytime. Okay, so let's say when you do flexible saving for 24 hours, you get your interest, you want to withdraw it, you are good to go. Even if it's not up to 24 hours, you need your money, you can still withdraw it. That's why they said flexible. So let's look at the lock staking. Okay, so when we're talking about locked staking, meaning you are going to lock your capital. It's like you are going to buy a treasury bill for a period of days or a period of months. Okay, so the locked capitals helps you to accumulate higher than the flexible. Okay, let's say the flexible is giving you 20%, which is annual per year. Okay, that's the interest rate. Okay, so probably you make a higher interest rate with the locked savings. Okay, you will not touch it. And here, if you want to withdraw your money before the due days agreement, you have your money but you don't have your profit. Okay, so imagine you do a lock savings for 5 days and you need the money urgently. On the third day you can withdraw your money, all right. Binance will not charge you anything, but just remember that the profit, that 25% you have accrue every 24 hours for that 3 days. will not be paid. It's only paid when the contract is being implemented. Okay. So, and when we come to auto invest, okay, auto invest help you to create your own auto invest plan, meaning you want your investment to run on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, and all those stuff. So when you do auto savings, your money, you select the cryptocurrencies you want to receive your money in, which should be two. Okay, you have to select two cryptocurrencies that when you are running your auto investment, you'll be accumulating those coins. Okay, you know, coins now are doing magic in the system. You can have this coin, imagine it to do well, but other ones you'll be doing better. So this gives you the chance to accumulate different coins as well. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today. Hope you find this useful, and trust me, let's say you subscribe to this flexible savings or locked savings, okay, and you run it on an auto savings. Let me show you my dashboard. Okay, let's go here. Okay, basically this is the coins I'm doing right now. So if you check here, this is a locked savings. Okay, it's a flexible savings, but it's locked. Okay, I just initiated some few minutes ago. So if you look at, you realize that I have a lot of locked savings here and also flexible. So I can decide to redeem any money right now. Okay, this also locked savings, fixed savings. So let's say here, this flexible savings. Okay, I want to run an auto saving. This money I don't want to touch it, or now I don't need it. So what I have to do is I select this button, auto subscription. Okay, the auto subscriptions help the system to run your profits in addition to your capital. Anytime it's been paid into your sports account, the system reinvest it. Okay, reinvest it into the system. So even if you have $1, you can just go for a good saving plan, either locked or flexible. Then you switch on the auto saving plan. Okay, you leave it there for 1 month, 2 months, 1 year, 3 years before you realize, boom, just like that. Okay, so this is how the auto subscription works. Okay, said enjoy the benefits every day. So this profits I'll be making here, this profits I'll be making here, when the 24 hours expires, the system will reinvest this profit together with the capital. You see, so your money increase, profit rate changes each and every day, because the higher your capital, the higher your profits. This is no cheating, right? It's not like your money there now, they are just giving you the same percentage. No, this one every day increases your profit rate. I hope this helped you. In case of any information, just drop your comments, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button.